Hello, here's another example problem to get you ready for Wednesday's final exam. It comes from the textbook. It's problem 6, page 133. The problem stated as such. A grain storage warehouse has a total of 30 bins, so I'm showing here 30 cubes. Some hold 20 tons of grain each, and the rest hold 15 tons each. How many of each type of bin are there if the capacity of the warehouse is 510 tons? So let's start out with an algebraic expression that relates the number of 20 and 15 ton bins that total up of 30 bins. So we have X number of, let's call it 20 ton bins, and Y number of 15 ton bins. So the total number of each, these capacity bins, is 30. Now, as I had said earlier, X will represent the 20-ton bin. So let's say, okay, there are 20 20-ton bins at X number plus 15-ton bins at Y number, and that totals 510 tons. Whoa, look at that. I think you guys could probably snap your fingers and just go, hey, I know what to do from here. But if you notice, we have two linear expressions, two algebraic expressions that are linear in nature, and you're probably wondering, okay, what best way to solve these? Well, you have three choices. You have linear combination, you have substitution, you have graphical methods. So there's the three methods. And if I were to guess, you would pick the substitution method. So let's take the first expression and solve that for either X or Y. My inclination is to solve for X. So I'm going to solve this first expression for X. We have X is equal to 30 minus Y, and then we're going to substitute 30 minus Y in for X. So substituting 30 minus Y in for X, we get 20 times the quantity 30 minus Y plus 15Y is equal to 510. All right, so we have here one expression and one unknown. That's great. Let's go about the business of doing some algebra here. So let's multiply through this factor of 30 minus y, 20. So 20 times 30 is 600. 20 times minus y is going to be 20 minus 20y. And we add 15y, and that's equal to 510. All right. Now, I'm going to subtract 600 from both sides, and then combine the negative 20y and 15y. The negative 20y and 15y gives us minus 5y. Subtracting 600 from both sides, we get minus 90. Ooh, look at this. So y comes out to be a positive value. So we have minus 90 divided by minus 5, and 90 divided by 5. Quick calculator here. We get 18. So y is equal to 18, and that gives us the number of 15-ton bins. So I'm going to put here, just tag it. This is the 15-ton bin. Okay, and then to find out the number of 20-ton bins, we substitute 18 in for y, and we get the number of 20-ton bins. So let's take the expression here, x equals 30, and then subtract from that the 18, and we get the balance of the number of bins at the 20-ton variety. So we have 12 20-ton bins. And there you have it. There's another example problem. Hey, good luck on Wednesday.